Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. This is morning exposition 45, and your original conductor still remain Emmanuel Oremijus. Not conductor, pilots. Your original pilot still remain Emmanuel Oremijus, driving you to your destination. Anywhere that you are around the world watching, please hit the like button and share. Hit the like button and share. And if you want to support this very platform, you can do it on Remigius TV, Emmanuel Remigius TV, simply by super chat. That's the only way that you can support this very platform. This morning, I have a lot to review. I don't know where to start, but let me pick it one after the other. I have gotten to the root of what happened. Because Ucheva, onye na nke ya. I heard that what transpired was Bianca Ojukwu. This declaration, the person that they used to wanting to stop it was Bianca Ojukwu. Bianca Ojukwu went to the Finnish embassy in Nigeria, telling them that the first declaration of Biafra brought war, brought hunger, brought death upon her people. Then who did it? That it was the same thing that brought all these things that we want to go by. Who did it, Bianca? Who did it? Sabonti. Tomorrow they will call you wife of Dim Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Ịmakọrọ urere pụta nke ndị Yoruba mazụcha. Who did it? Who buyed our people? I am asking you, Bianca. That was the reason why you saw Uchechi going there. What Bianca did was she went there to tell them that there is a case that have been filed against our Prime Minister 2021, and they needed to review it urgently. That case will destroy things on December 2nd if they did not withdraw Prime Minister from it. And they said it's a case that borders in terrorism. Maybe Dim Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu equally carried out terrorism. Ndara. Sabonti. If she's working, they call her wife of Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. She will say hello. Ndara. Ndara enwere n'ala Biafra. Now let me go on. That was what prompted Uchechi to go and snap picture and pose with her that thank you, Iron Lady, for doing it. Now, furthermore, they have their eyes. Those of you, the more Georgie, looking for Emmanuel Oremijus to abuse, you can abuse Taya, not even see your face. Your abuse is making me strong to know that Mwa Akushimike, your abuse doesn't move me because Jihanyage. Ndara. Come on, na-ekekwenụ ntị ihe m na-agwa unu before ekwensu ji unu akwara ngwa ọrụ push unu out. They have their moves in IPOB, in Biafra government. Their moves was in charge of giving them information on what is happening. So when they withdraw Prime Minister and December 2nd was about, Finland, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze insisted that the Finland must hold. Some of their moves wanted to withdraw. Now, Prime Minister Yamai, go and ask those of them you are following today. Go and ask what they did. That they should postpone it. Now, Prime Minister Yamai, because they know their actions, so that it will be totally destroyed. And I heard that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze insisted that the declaration must hold. The members of the cabinet, not only her, insisted that the declaration must hold. And they went on. So some people don't like it. They become another eyes. That was the reason why Jide Ngozi Kegbuo surfaced on social media. Because their eyes told them, look at what this woman have done. Now, My informant in Finland told me that there is court injunction to be obtained 8 a.m. on Monday in order to stop the declaration. Same that day that was going to hold around 10. Around 10. They were to obtain court injunction that will stop Biafra redeclaration on Monday. It's Monday 2nd because that was what that man told me. I don't mean I have a multiple source in Finland, please. I have multiple source in Finland. I get my information from anywhere in Finland. Multiple source. He told me that there was court injunction to be gotten from 8 a.m. when the court opens to stop the event on 2nd, citing now only them know. However, Dr. Ngozi Arabueze and other people took them by surprise. Came on 29, that is before 31st, 2nd. She came on 29 and told everyone. They have a brief meeting with cabinet and voted. Those who voted that Biafra must be declared that day, we are high. Raphael Chiamaka Jere objected. Nkere objected that it must not hold that day. What are they calling him? All this Sabonti. Akparawa objected that it must not be declared that day. That they are now in Finland and nobody can stop it. While other source that I have was telling me that there is court injunction. And let me move on, please. Let me move on. Though there was a man again from far away America that told me something like that. There was a man from far away America again that told me something like that. But let me move on. It seems that man told me and I called this person, but I have forgotten, but I got the correct information. Let me move on, please. Now, it became, some of them, if you remember, the criminals in DOS, we are saying that second will not hold. As far as they were updating you, because they have given them the notice that she insisted that the convention must hold. So they gave them information. That was the reason why all of a sudden you started seeing, she will not get to Finland. She will not do this. If she get to Finland, they will arrest her. It was their parents within us that alerted them. Those of you following whom you are following, now you know, Agaracha must come back. I know they follow Sabonti, I know they follow her. So you can come here, abuse your papa. He may carry out abuse very well. Then again, I hear if you abuse me and accuse me, I am highly spiritual in whatever I do. Now let me move on, please. When they saw that she insisted on Biafra declaration, remember, these people were already telling you that day that 2nd December will not hold. Take it to the bank. 2nd December will not hold. Take it to the bank. Just because of their court injunction. But everything got destroyed after the Ngozi Arabueze pronounced Biafra. How about your court injunction? Marketing have been done. That is the reason why their contractor, Nkere, does not like it. Hey, Biafra, she went and declared it on 29. The United Nations will say you are not serious. Oga, stop lying to the people. United, you are taking your own decision as a country. United Nations doesn't take decision for country. Now, those of you people who are telling me, oh, unity, I can never unite with Sabo. Why did you people support, if you can preach unity now, is Nkere and success. Now they have lied to you people that success is PM's PA. PM address that he have no PA. He is not in Finland. Somebody who is not in Finland is becoming PA. Personal assistant. And PA use him to run some errands. Not PA, not personal assistant. You people should stop that lies that arrogate him to personal assistant, because PM, I know how PM works. PM uses people anybody that he wants. Nobody knows the way of PM, please. Okay, if he's PA, other people is PA again. You see, I don't go by lies and deceit. You can deceive people on however that you want. But let me go on, please. If you people can preach unity now, did you remember the sin of Madam Azoka? Insubordination is the sin of Madam Azoka. Now, where did she sin Dr. Ngozi Arabueze? Did you remember what made them to suspend Madam Azoka? It's the same Dr. Ngozi Arabueze who is going on her national assignment, and she was angry that she did not take excuse from her. Oh, my chocolate now it's okay, Nkere up to Dr. Ngozi, up to Madam Azoka. It's in also says who up to Madam Azoka. The enormous task of Madam Azoka burdens everything. But she was suspended, and she is not here with you people. And all unity. Brother, preach unity with your sabo. But Madam Azoka sabo, because of the sin of insubordination to the same Dr. Ngozi Arabueze. Oh, let us unite. Unite go where? I have never insulted Prime Minister in my life. I have supported him due to what? The spiritual distance said the mountain is upon him. I supported him. I followed him. Now the people Akparawa have insulted Prime Minister. What are they calling him? Chiamaka Ajegede. Nkere Oga ihu ya aga azụ. In what Yoruba people na-akpọ Otilo, hey, asọ m Yoruba nka. Ata m Yoruba nka. In what Yoruba people na-akpọ ka m hapụ ya taa Yoruba na nsogbu. Oga ihu ya aga azụ. Nke m na-akpọ Oge Nkere insulted the cabinet. The same sin of people complaining that Madam Azoka used to insult them. All of them burdens in the reason why she was suspended. No, now they are saying, oh, unity. Can't you see? Personal assistant, they are not those of you that doesn't know anything that they can utilize to brainwash, get out. If you continue here with your insults, my own is that Anama again here. Now here I go there, you go disappear. That's my own. The sin of all of them is insubordination. And once you are insubordinate, you can be insubordinate to your leader. Insubordination. Check their gang. Insubordination. What pursued this guy? Waiting with this guy. That one where they claim commander that time. Waiting make him be suspended. Is it not insubordination? In freedom. Even those of you quoting constitution, that constitution is not in play. Anybody telling you constitution is just saying, that constitution is not in play now. We go by chain of command. Respect the person who is in charge. And they did not like it due to what their this thing have failed. Their lies and deceit have failed. When they peep and they saw that I might get involved in what is happening, they told this thing that they are afraid of me or that I might run propaganda against them. They told their Mama and that one took on social media. The person that will be used to put problem in autopilot is this one, Remy. Uno feeling no game. You people are deceiving yourselves. You people are deceiving yourself. Now, I want to let all of you know, and then I snap a picture in office, that I snap picture in the office of Prime Minister. So, Nkere, Finland. Now, you can get a photo from fundraising to, that's a photo that the other people will not be permitted to snap picture in the office. That means that problem started from Finland, not now. Hello? That means the problem started from Finland as against what you people arrogated in social media that they want to block fundraising, but we are giving information to Bianca Ojukwu team, to what are they calling him? Yeah, Bianca Ojukwu team, due to what? I heard that you are Ifeanyi Uba cousin. Now you know. That is what I heard. Now you know. They want to use you people to stop this very freedom. Those of them following you people, I want you to go to your Bible, write today's date down. Where you will stop is that ihe a ndị DOS na-eme, ọ ihe eme very soon. Ihe a ndị DOS na-eme, ọ ihe eme. And the way you turn to Igbo, you turn if you have insulted me, Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. Because some of you hate the truth. Do you think that I'm here to romance the truth to you? They use them, wanting to stop. Now to Bianca Ojukwu. Are you seeing the propaganda being run against me? Are you seeing Igbo businesses being destroyed in Lagos? You went to help them to harm your own brother. Amateur Sayagomai. Not when it started, you people, because your dealings is in secret, but your Christ is in public. Oh, anybody that does not buy your view, they come against that person. Because when Biafra come, my own is that I do not believe in jungle justice. When Biafra come, gently and mayoli, I will go to Biafra court and put paper, me myself. When Biafra come, I will go. Biafra have come. It remains the territorial integrity. Because Biafra have come, it has been declared. The territorial integrity will be defended. When we start that recognition from other countries, I will go to court when everything is settled. Set. The wife of Chukwuemeka Dim Odumegwu Ojukwu, given this illiterate man or religious, Kaiga na court, drag your dealings. Your husband defended us with everything he got. The reason why Ojukwu died and not having been multi-millionaire is because he used all his money to defend his people. Then you want to sell us. The other time, Nkere Ofemi Fanika Yode say na on our target. In public, on our target. Today, you are justifying what he have said because he buru obarandi Yoruba. Abacha also ayagumai. Abacha also ayagumai. But manako na mana unneche. From me from here, I greet you, my honorable Prime Minister, who is watching everyone according to what he or she is doing. Good morning.